Hannah again, and I just wanted to show all you little kids the proper way to do RV toothbrushing. And this is my video on how I brush my teeth. First, I take my toothpaste and put it on my toothbrush. Get my toothbrush wet. And I start with my middle teeth. And then I do the right side. And then I do the left side of my mouth. And I like to go everywhere just once more to make sure I got it. Come on. And then I like to rinse my mouth. And I floss my teeth. And then for the final step, I like to use some fluoride. And this is Hannah with RV brushing.